I choose George Hilbert Mead. In sociological conceptions of the self, the development of the self is examined in the context of social phenomena like socialization. George Hilbert Mead, an American sociologist, pioneered an essential theory, or in sociology, the mentally is viewed by George Hilbert Mead's theory as an individual incorporation of the collective means used a social process to describe the persons and the mind a person's body takes in gestures and the collective sentiments of others and responds accordingly with other structured mindset that are also observed by the human organism. Mead's theory of self refers to the to this as the I and me phase. The I is the answer to the me, which is the interpersonal self, but another way, I is a person reaction to other people emotions, whereas me is the ordered set of those perfections that one acquires. How one assumes one's organization sees oneself is what one refers to as the me, which is the total of the generalized other. The I stands for a person's feelings and instincts. Self as subject and self as object are synonymous in the I, and I is the one who knows, the me is the one who is being understood. I and me are constantly interacting, and these interactions is what we refer to as the stream of thought. The human cognition's concept based on these processes, which go beyond the idea of selfhood in a restricted sense, sees the internal debate between I and me as the thinking process. Makes I and me, when viewed as a synthesis of the I and the me, reveal a profoundly social nature in which view as person's place in the community is more important than individuality. Being aware of one's self-consciousness can become about when one has actively participated in various social roles.